Hi, this is Miss Claywell with lesson 15 on completing the square, um, and how to use that with vertex form. So in your bell work, our factors made squared binomials. So if we factor this would become x plus 3 squared. This would become x minus 4 squared. So those are binomials that are squared. We see these in vertex form, so they're really helpful. Like writing square binomials is helpful from getting from standard form, so that's ax squared plus bx plus c, to vertex form, which is a x minus h squared plus k. In the past, we've used h equals negative b over 2a to convert between the forms, but today we're going to learn how to write the expression that makes perfect square binomials by completing the square. So our first step is to move the constants to the other side of the equation. So that our constant is our 20. Then I'm going to find b over 2 squared. This is my b. And then I'm going to add 16 to both sides. Then I'm going to rewrite as a perfect squared binomial. This becomes x plus 4. Then I'm going to move my constant back to the right side. So my vertex would be negative 4, negative 36. Okay, we're going to repeat this a couple more times. I'm going to move my constant to the other side. My b over 2 squared, this is my b. So 6 over 2 squared is going to get me 9. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. That becomes x plus 3 squared. So my vertex is negative 3, negative 4. My y-intercept is whatever my c term is. So it's 0, 5. And then it opens up because a is positive. Move my constant to the other side. I need to find my b over 2. So what I'm going to add that to both sides then. So my vertex is positive 2, negative 3. My y-intercept is 0, 1. And it opens up again. So what's a little different about this is now my A is not equal to 1. So a lot of the steps are going to be the same. So I move my constant to the other side. Factor out the A value. So I'm going to pull out a 4. Find my B over 2. I made a mistake here. This should be a 6x. So my B over 2 is 6 over 2 squared equals 9. So I need to add 9 to this side. That's really 9 times 4. So that's really adding 36 to both sides. So we're going to do 2 more like these where A is not equal to 1. So I'm going to move my constant to the other side. My A is not equal to 1, so I'm going to factor it out. D over 2 squared equals 4. So on the right side, I'm really adding 8. I'm adding my 2 times 4. Oops. This becomes negative 2, 1. My y-intercept is 0, 9, and it opens up still. I can subtract the 10 from both sides. I need to pull out my A value. Forgot to write my X there. So this 2 times 4 is really 8 that I'm adding to the left side. So my y-intercept is 2, 2, or my vertex is 2, 2. I have 0, 10. And this also opens up. I hope this is helpful.